Carboxylic acids. Organic acids can be made by oxidation of alcohols. Organic acid contain COOH group known as carboxylic acid group. The acids are named after the respective alkanes containing same number of carbon atoms. By substituting the last letter capital E of the corresponding alkanes by OIC acid, carboxylic acid or alcoholic acid, it is also called ethanoic acid. It is organic acid carboxylic derivatives of alkanes. Functional group COOH. General formula of homologous series CnH2n plus 1 COOH. Uses. Use as preservatives. Acetic acid and formic acid to prepare food items like pickles. Salt of higher fatty acid, sodium stearate, sodium palmitate are used in the manufacture of soap. For the drugs, perfumes, dyes, synthetic fibers and rubber. Physical properties. The lower carboxylic acid C1, C2, C3 are colorless liquid with pungent smell. C4 to C7 colorless oily liquid. Higher carboxylic acid colorless, odorless, wax-like solid called fatty acids. Lower carboxylic acids are soluble in water. Solubility decreases with increase in number of carbon atoms. Anhydrous acetic acid, known as glacial acetic acid, has a pungent smell, freezes at 16.5 degrees Celsius to glass like crystals. Chemical properties. Carboxylic acid are acidic in nature. Action of litmus turns blue litmus red. Reaction with metals. Carboxylic acid react with metal to form salt and hydrogen. In the reaction, twice CH3COOH plus twice Na, it gives the twice CH3COO Na plus H2. Acetic acid plus sodium, metal like sodium, it gives sodium acetate plus hydrogen. Carboxylic acid are acidic in nature. Reaction with alkalis. When carboxylic acid react with alkalis salt and water are formed. Acetic acid CH3COOH plus sodium hydroxide NaOH react with each other to form CH3COONA sodium acetate plus H2O water. Reaction with bicarbonates. Carboxylic acid react with bicarbonates to form salt, water and carbon dioxide. Acetic acid CH3COOH plus sodium bicarbonate NaHCO3. It gives CH3COONA sodium acetate plus H2O water plus CO2 carbon dioxide. Esterification. Acetic acid react with ethyl alcohol in presence of concentrated H2SO4 to form ethyl acetate. CH3COOH plus C2H5OH acetic acid plus ethyl alcohol. It gives CH3COO C2H5 plus H2O, ethyl acetate plus water. Oxidation. Carboxylic acid can be prepared by oxidation of the corresponding alcohols. Oxidation is done by acidified K2Cr2O7 potassium dichromate solution. The nascent oxygen forms oxidize the alcohols. CH3OH methyl alcohol plus nascent oxygen, 2 molecules of nascent oxygen in the presence of K2Cr2O7 plus H2SO4 acidified K2Cr2O7, it gives HCOOH plus H2O, means formic acid plus water. In this reaction, oxidation of ethyl alcohol with acidified K2Cr2O7 gives formic acid and water. This reaction, nascent oxygen oxidize the alcohol to form carboxylic acid. Fermentation. By fermenting ethyl alcohol, 0.6% solution of acetic acid called vinegar is obtained. Ethyl alcohol is oxidized in presence of oxygen by the bacteria Mycoderma cell. CH3CH2OH plus O2, ethyl alcohol plus oxygen, it gives CH3COOH acetic acid plus water. This is the fermentation reaction by which we can prepare the carboxylic acid.